Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 guys, and if you have clunking noise sounds coming from the suspension, stay with us. We'll explain guys, okay, the top 5 things that can cause clunking sound noise from the suspension. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, okay, why I mentioned these two cars, because they're built on the same platform, so it will work for both of them. Now let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So what can cause, okay, front end noise rattle on your BMW guys X3 X4? Pretty simple. Looking at it now right here guys, ours was, okay, bad control arm bushings right here. This is the front control arm right here, the lower one on the front side, and you have one on the back side, this one right here. This is that one. And if you pay attention guys, okay, let me show you now, okay, right there. I'm going to go ahead, okay, and open this one. Okay, let me get somebody to come open the control arm to help quick. I want to show you how broken those things are, okay? It's unbelievable. So let's go ahead, pry it with the screwdriver, and those cracks will allow movement and clunking noise, guys. Eventually they will fail and it will be a lot of movement, a lot of clunking. So done. The little one as well. You may not notice it, but this one is broken. Okay, on one side I saw it was broken, so that can allow movement and clunking as well. Another thing, number 2, okay, number 1 will be control arm bushings. Number 2, sway barring. The sway barring, if you notice going through small bumps, you hear clunking, it's very likely you have a bad sway barring. Right here we'll have a video how to replace it. Number 3 guys, ball joints. Okay, right here you have a ball joint right there, and that ball joint, if it goes bad, that can cause clunking as well. Number 4, okay, actually will be tie rods. Okay, inner outer tie rod can cause clunking as well. Right here, if you have play, that will cause clunking. And number 5 guys will be anything practically related to the suspension right here, to the shock. It could be bad shock, but usually they will have a little bit of oil leaking out of them. It could be a back shock mount on the front, on the bottom, on the top as well. When they break, okay, that can cause clunking as well and misalignment, so that can affect your control arm bushings, shock, okay, ball joints can affect your alignment as well. We'll have video guys how to replace control arms and all that stuff on the BMW X3 X4, so subscribe to the channel, that will be posted very soon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.